In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove stray hairs in seconds from photos using AI in Photoshop and Lightroom. This is a quick and efficient technique that can significantly improve your portraits by enhancing the overall polish and professionalism. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer. It's essential to have your workspace set up in a way that's comfortable for you, allowing easy access to all the tools you'll be using. Once you're in, go ahead and add the image you want to edit. You can do this by navigating to File and then selecting Open, or simply dragging and dropping your image into the workspace. The next step involves selecting the stray hairs you want to remove. Here you'll want to use the selection tool. This tool allows you to precisely target the hairs that are out of place and need to go, helping you maintain control over the areas you're modifying. Once you've made your selection, switch to the eyedropper tool. This is a crucial step because it helps in matching the color of the background closely, ensuring that the area where you remove the stray hair blends seamlessly with the surrounding background. Simply click on an area of the background to sample the color. With the background color now selected, click on the brush tool in the toolbar. Adjust the size of your brush as needed. Often a slightly smaller brush provides better control and precision. Then begin brushing over the selected area. The key here is to cover the stray hairs while maintaining a natural look that blends with the original image context. After you've finished editing a single image, Photoshop allows for easy batch processing of multiple photos. This means you can apply similar edits across a batch of photos with minimal effort. To do this, navigate to File, then Automate, and select Batch. In the batch dialog that appears, select the action you've just created for stray hair removal and choose the source folder that contains all the images you want to modify. Next, specify your destination folder where the edited images will be saved. This keeps everything organized and your original files separate from the edited ones. You can choose to override save commands and hide the save as dialog if you want the process to be especially smooth. Once you've set everything up, click OK to start the batch processing. Photoshop will take care of the rest, applying your modifications across all selected images. That's it. You've now mastered the art of quickly and effectively removing stray hairs in your photos using Adobe Photoshop. With this technique, your portraits will look cleaner and more professional in a matter of seconds. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.